Very good evening, friends, traders. I'm Nalinakshi Swamy. Welcoming to my channel. See, I'm on the options of Coforge. Actually, it has been accumulated since 15th, 16th, 17th, 20th, 21. You can see buy episode over here around 63 rupees. The buy episode was formed over here, and the rolling pivot roll trend was intact. You can see the trend moving higher. In so intermittent, it was consolidation, it was accumulation. That's what going on in the Coforge. Today, it was because of the result news. It was a blast. From it was yesterday, it was 62 and it blasted to 110. This is how one needs to have patience to hold when you see the episodic pivot. Actually, it has taken since when it is. This is the November month call option, 1800 call option. It had been accumulated since 47 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. No, not 6 days. 15, 16, 17. Almost more than 1 week. Let me change it to weekly so that you will come to know. Yeah, throughout when it has been accumulated over here. So that's how it is. You need to have patience once you recognize to hold the position. Let me go to the hourly and what it is difficult. It is like an investment you need to hold. When I go to the Coforge on the daily time frame from 15th and 16th, you can see there is movement in the. Let me enable the rolling pivot. What I've done is I've removed just R1 and S1 I am enabling. You can see the pivot over here. The price is above the, from the 15th, price is above the Ganhilo and the trend was up. Trend was up, and if I enable the midweek of the month highlighter, it was up, it was consolidating, going sideways. So only results came yesterday. So to the news of the result, it had popped up. Same thing, it's happening with the another stock. I will show you. This is BDL. BDL, if you go there, from this midweek of the month, it is moving higher. The trend is intact, it is consolidating. So same way, the call option, it has been accumulated from 33 rupees. It is running now. And the result is BDL result is next month. I think next month I had seen somewhere else result. Yes, I don't see the result. Maybe next month, 13th or something, I had seen they have removed it actually. It was showing like that. You can see through the midweek of the last month, it was consolidation pop up and retest, and it is undergoing through consolidation. So you can keep it in your watch list because it needs patience actually. It needs patience, and this is the stock with the episodic pivot. In the underlying, it is showing accumulation. Accumulation. You do not know when it will blast. It may blast to even to this level, 99 rupees also. So keep tracking, have patience in that. So one fine day it can go. Now it is showing some sort of, see, alternating between the red and green. That means it is undergoing through accumulation. It is slowly accumulating, and episodic pivots are shown here. And today it had come down again. Tomorrow it may pick up. So tomorrow you see after the rollover, monthly rollover, it may start moving higher. It may roll over to the positive. Then it may start moving up. So keep tracking. Do not lose patience. Actually, one has to have patience. It is like an investment. It is a next month call option, 1600 call option. And if you see the BDL, you can anticipate for 1537. And let me go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. See, it has come out and the trend is intact. After the uh, moving higher, it is consolidating. Once it starts moving above this, it may pop up like anything. It may pop up like anything. So it is consolidating. It is preparing itself for the up move. Earnings is, yes, earnings, when I see there, earnings is on 13th November. By that time, it will gain lot of money. So since there is an episodic pivot here, you can see the price had come to the episodic pivot. If you go back, there are many episodic pivots you can see over here. So let me go to the weekly or monthly. If we go to the monthly chart, you can see episodic pivots over here. Episodic pivot, pullback and breakout. Pullback and breakout, many episodic pivots are here, and the trend is intact on the monthly. Let me go to the weekly. Let me go to the weekly chart of this BDA. This is pullback. After the episodic pivot, it is a pullback and it is preparing itself for the reversal game. See, if it is near the pivot and the rolling pivot, if it is, let me remove the drawings, 8 drawings, BDL. This is the episodic pivot which has happened over here. This is midweek of the month weekly, and next 2 weeks they are undergoing through contraction. This is a contraction definitely. Since it is a contraction, if it starts coming out of this, there will be huge blast. So this is one stop. You can track, you should track with patience. If you don't track with patience, suppose if it blasts to this, next resistance level is around here, you can keep even the 1700 call option. Let me put it 1700 call option. Out of the money, I'm telling you. Okay, we'll go for 1700 call option. Let us check whether there is any episodic pivot on the lower time frame. Let us check on the hourly. No, still we are not seeing any episodic pivot over here. If I go back to the 1680 or 1660 call option, no, we are not seeing anything. But this call option, actually, this is the call option, 1600 call option, we are seeing very good accumulation. Let us go back and see any 1500 at the money call option is doing anything. It's not loading. Let me go there again. Yes, 1500 at the money, it is now 1540 call option. Yes, it has been accumulated. You can see over here clearly episodic pivot is here. Still it is undergoing through consolidation. From the price of 61 rupees, it has been accumulated episodic pivot. Once the episodic pivot is happened, there will be, you need to wait for the discount. Still rolling pivot is not showing a buying thing. Let us go to the smaller time frame, and still it is coming down. It is a breakout and it is a pullback. Pullback, second time it is coming, then it is rolling. And that means it is going sideways. Accumulation is going on in this option. You can keep it in your watch list and you can trade for that. Like that, any other stock. I showed you the Coforge. Let us check the Infosys. Infosys actually, it had made an episodic pivot over here. Episodic pivot at the level of 25 rupees. This is November call option. Now it is coming back. It is just coming, retracing back. You can keep it in your watch list since it is as shown an episodic pivot here. So if I go to the Infosys, it is coming down. It may fill the gap. Is till that time you need to wait. Something is, so this is how, this is a correction, and you can see for that. Say dividend payout, and what is the news for that? Bulls back in action. No, no, something. It is not much about the anything. So it has a blast. It is correction slowly. Imbalance has been trying to. So after the consolidation throughout the midweek of the week, this was the blast in the last 20, 21st, and 22nd. And the correction can be used for, you can keep Infosys also on your watch list, and the call option of the Infosys. Let me go to the Infosys call option. That is 1500 call option. You can track and you can wait for. It has given 34 rupees. Now it is trading around 40. Any day after the rollover, you can track this. It may even go up. It may go up. It has shown episodic pivots, accumulation, blast, and retest. It may try to move higher too. You can see another up move in this Infosys also. Like that, you should have patience to track the stocks. And LIC Housing Finance, if I go to the call option here, episodic pivot, it was a blast on this day from 5 rupees. From 5 rupees, that was on 20th. 7 rupees, it blasted up to 12 rupees, 13 rupees. 13 rupees, and on that day it was an aberration. Nobody would have traded. It came down to 1 rupee. They have accumulated and it is going sideways. Any breakout above this level, any breakout above this level, it's LIC Housing Finance also is supposed to give a result tomorrow, or I think result is on tomorrow. Earnings is on Wednesday, not day after tomorrow. You can track this. You can track this. It is bullish. It is bullish. See, if I am on the daily, it is above the weekly pivot. When I am on the daily, it is weekly pivot, and through consolidation last midweek of the month, it is consolidation and the trend is positive. So you can track for that. This is 500 and 600 call option you are tracking. So you can see the episodic pivots over here. Once it starts moving higher, you can anticipate for the move of 18 rupees on 18 rupees to 24 rupees also. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there is a result announcement is there. and it after the consolidation we are seeing the episodic pivot over here. Like that you can select the stocks. Some stocks will give very good result in the market. For example, Mahindra and Mahindra, you can see Mahindra and Mahindra, it is undergoing through, uh, it may be reaccumulation on the daily time frame. I'll remove. It is a correction consolidation over here. If it starts moving higher through this is a consolidation. It is at the all-time high. If it starts breaking above, this is undergoing through consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of consolidation above the pivot. Trend is positive. So let us check if it is breaking above this. Let us check if it is a break above this. Let me apply this. 3,800 call option. 3,800 call option. Let us check what it is doing. Whether it is accumulation is going on the 3,800 call option or episodic pivot. Yeah, there is an episodic pivot in 3,800 call option. Of course, I am going to add this. I'm going to add this in my watch list. I'll track this. I'll track this once it starts blasting above, and on 30th, sales number will come for the Mahindra and Mahindra. You can look for that. It has undergone through 5 to 6 days of consolidation, Mahindra and Mahindra. So you can see over here, after the up move, it has gone sideways. It is consolidating near the all-time high. Probably if it breaks out, this will be a huge breakout. You can consider this and keep it in watch list, and 3,800 call option also. It is showing accumulation. Friends, you can trade like this. You can locate the stocks like this and you can trade for that. One day blast will be there. So I'm giving you so many ideas with this indicator. You can track. You should have both the indicators. One for the structure, one for the structure identification, that is rolling pivot reversal magic with Gan Hilo, and the another one is episodic pivot to identify what is cooking in the stock, whether institutional money is entering into the stock. Yes, it's subtly, slowly, the institutional money is accumulating over here. You can consider even the earnings is on the 4th November. So by that time it may go up. It may go up. So it has pushed up and it may be a breakout. If it breaks out, then you can anticipate measured move, this much of move in the Mahindra and Mahindra. That is exactly 3,850, which FIB 1.618 has shown. This is a measured move. You can anticipate, you can look for this, and you can keep it in your watch list. That's all. So, if you want to access this indicator, this is a paid indicator, both rolling pivot reversal magic and episodic pivot indicator. You can message me, WhatsApp me on this number 98452 09600. I'm going to leave my number in the description as well as in the comment. So only genuine people need to contact me, not any simply asking for any details and all. I don't have time for that. You please be serious. If you are serious to make profit, if you want to make profit, you can contact me. Thank you very much, friends. I'm Nalinakshi Swamy, signing off.